Coriander seeds, obtained from the Coriandrum sativum plant, have been used as a spice in foods and traditional medicine for centuries. It has a warm, nutty, and juicy taste and a delightful aroma often used in different cuisines worldwide, especially Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean cuisines. Notably, these fragrant seeds have high nutritional value. They are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds can provide significant nutrients, including vitamin C, K, iron, manganese, and magnesium. In this video, we will talk about its most essential properties to the health of the body, and in the last part of the video, we will explain how to use it. Number 1. Regulation of blood sugar level. Coriander seeds have been shown to affect blood sugar levels positively. Compounds in seeds help regulate insulin secretion, improve glucose tolerance, and reduce the risk of diabetes. Number 2. Antioxidant properties. They contain various antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress and cell destruction, ultimately accelerating the aging process in various diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurological disorders. These antioxidants can also help stabilize other nutrients and protect them from degradation. Also, coriander seeds can help reduce LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. They have fat-reducing properties. You can pound it and add it to all kinds of meats. Number 3. Digestive system health. One of the most essential benefits of coriander seeds is their ability to improve the overall health of the digestive system. These seeds have unique compounds that may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in the body and help the process of food decomposition and digestion. Coriander seeds can also improve digestive disorders like indigestion, bloating, and gas. Its anti-inflammatory property can relieve heartburn. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and types of cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of coriander seeds are due to active compounds such as linalool, borneol, and limonene, which have been found to help reduce inflammation in the body. Number 5. Strengthening the immune system. Coriander seeds are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and nutrients such as vegetable fiber, iron, magnesium, manganese, and vitamins A and K. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can weaken the immune system. Coriander seeds can neutralize these free radicals and support the immune system. A strong immune system is essential to defend the body against infections, viruses, and other pathogens. Number 6. Anti-cancer. The presence of compounds such as quercetin and other antioxidants in coriander seeds helps prevent certain types of cancer, such as colon, breast, and lung cancer. Number 7. Liver detoxification. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile for digestion, storing nutrients, and performing many metabolic functions. Today, with the increase in exposure to environmental toxins, processed foods, and alcohol, the issue of supporting liver health and detoxification has become more critical. Coriander seeds have detoxification properties that can improve liver health and remove toxins from help the body and promote healthy liver function. For this purpose, you can soak coriander seeds in boiling water for one night and consume the strained water on an empty stomach the following day. Number 8. Reduction of menstrual pains. Coriander seeds have traditionally been used to reduce menstrual discomfort and regulate menstrual cycles. They can help with hormonal imbalances and reduce cramps and bloating associated with menstruation. Number 9. Eye health. Antioxidants such as vitamin A in coriander seeds help eye health. Lack of this vitamin can lead to night blindness and other eye problems. Coriander seeds help protect against age-related macular degeneration and prevent oxidative stress damage to the eyes. The anti-inflammatory properties of coriander seeds also indirectly help reduce eye inflammation and eye diseases. Number 10. Reduction of respiratory diseases. Coriander seeds contain linalool, geraniol, and limonene essential oils. In addition to flavoring food, these essential oils also have expectorant properties that can help reduce respiratory diseases such as cough, bronchitis, and sinus congestion. It loosens the mucus and helps to facilitate breathing. How to use coriander seeds. Roasting it. Roast coriander seeds in a pan until it changes color, for more flavor and taste, then pound them and use them in food. Brewing. Add a teaspoon of coriander seeds to a cup of hot water. Let it infuse for a few minutes to release its aroma and flavor. Strain it and enjoy its taste. Grind coriander seeds in a mortar. You can mix all kinds of sauces, marinate all kinds of meats and fishes, add stews, soups, bread and cookies, and all kinds of appetizers, and in addition to the deliciousness of the food, you can also benefit from its unique properties. Disclaimer: always consume coriander seeds in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any specific dietary concerns or medical conditions.